Hey guys, Terry here. I wanted to show you a handy way to store your stickers. I think it's an age-old problem. We go to the scrapbook store and we buy all kinds of stuff for what we're going to use on our layouts when we take a trip or do something interesting that we have photos we want to scrapbook. And I just think it's an age-old battle on we buy the things, we have the ideas, and then what do we do with them so that we can remember to use them. So one thing I would recommend is when you get the stickers or the die cuts, have them, buy them as you need them, because I think we all are guilty of seeing something cute and we want to have it. But I do think that you need to purchase when you definitely know you're going to do something. So, and believe me, I'm guilty of grabbing something because it's adorable and oh, I'll use it someday for the grandkids or what have you. So we all do it. So when we've got all those stickers, what do we do with them? So I have the Kallax units from Ikea, and I love them. They hold plenty of they're just great for storage. They're sturdy, they're inexpensive. But what I have is these boxes, and I will put a link to their current boxes, because these were the older ones, and I know they have newer ones. But the idea is that you buy the box that fits in the Kallax unit, and I have the lid actually on the bottom so that it slides easily in and out. And then I have put hanging folders in there. So let me bring this over to the table. Okay, so this box fits perfectly to have these hanging folders. These boxes come from Ikea, and you assemble them. They come flat, and then you fold them and put them together with these little screws. And I have put hanging folders in here, and then labeled them by the theme of kind of what my stickers fell under. So, for example, this one's baby, and I've got stuff in here. And it allows me to, if I need to take this folder out and kind of dig through it, put it out on the table, I can do that. Or if I don't have too much in it, I can just flip through it, through the box here. So I've got a little bit of stuff for birthday. Slides up out, I can open it and see what's inside it. And then it's also just a handy way to file them into here, and a handy way to pull them out and dig through them. So I know people put them in notebooks. That works too. Some people store their paper in a one of those the large gallon baggies, and have the paper and the stickers with it. That's a great idea, because then you've got your themed stuff with with the paper that you would remember to use it with. So my categories happen to be things that I buy stickers for, animals, baby, birthday, a lot of Disney stuff, family, which is the stickers for grandpa, dad, father, mother, flowers, big category there, sports stuff, seasons. You could break out the seasons. I just happen to have it all in one. It's kind of got Easter, Christmas, all the different holidays in there. So yeah, but if you do have a lot by those different ones, you could separate those out. I've got a category called Sprouts, because I live near where the Jelly Bean store is, so I have a lot of the Jelly Bean Journaling Sprouts. So that gets its own little separate bucket. And then, of course, vacation. So that's what I recommend for stickers. I think this is handy. I think it's convenient that the hanging folders store across the top of this. I mentioned that the lid is on the bottom. The lid doesn't go on top when you've got these hanging on here, but that's not a problem for me. So the lid is just conveniently stored with the box, and it helps it slide in and out of the Ikea cabinet. And if you did need to put the lid on it, you probably could fit it over these, but I'm trying to find a way for it to easily be accessible to flip through these stickers, because if you don't flip through them, you forget what you have, and then you don't use them. So I hope this helps on sticker storage ideas. Thanks, guys.